This was the excitement of the grade 5 class having realized that they passed their exams successfully. To them, this means a lot because these kids will be going to grade 6 in another school different from where they are now. And so, a pass in their exams, especially English and speaking tests, gives them the excitement of life. However, this didn't come on a silver platter. They had to sit back, learn, practice speaking, and sit for this exam. Wow. What's happening? Why is she stealing? Is she stealing? Look on your paper. Why are you looking on somebody else's paper? Look on your paper. Look on your exam paper. Don't turn your eye. I'm capturing you on camera. If you steal, I'll send it to the headmaster. Why are you looking on the book? Close it. Put it away. Put it away. You are stealing. What is this for? Do your exams.